How to be a school spy kid. Spies are cool. Spies are anonymous. But every spy has to go to school. You too can be a spy kid at school. Keep reading for detailed instructions. Steps. 1. Train. Get yourself into a great state of fitness. Join sports clubs and try your best at PE. Try your best to make sure you get good grades and have a good IQ. 2. Set yourself an identity. Who are you? E.g. I am Agent Crystal. Not my real name. I have cropped hair and wear more trousers than I do skirts. I specialize in flexibility, and I can kill you in 15 ways. 7 including a bar of chocolate. 3. Teamwork. Get yourself 2, 4 associates. Purely optional. But it's great to have backup if you need it. Also make sure that you get a team of good spies. Not your best friends. 4. Mixed schools. If you go to one, remember, the opposite gender is a spy's worst enemy. Love makes the world go round, but it can be very dangerous. 5. Get cases. Someone's stolen a pen. Investigate. The school's key is missing. Find out who took it. The more cases, the more expertise. 6. Into your career. Keep on spying, while being on the side of the law, of course, and maybe once you're the spy expert, you can join MI5, MI6, FBI, CIA, or be a private detective. Tips. Don't make it too obvious that you are a spy. Enemies are everywhere. Try to stay fit. It's a great attribute to being a spy. Be visual, alert. Remember, a spy is still awake when they are asleep. Be the best of the best. Carry a backpack to put all your spy gear in. Build your own spy gadgets out of materials you can find in your home, or buy from stores at a cheap price. If funds are low, it's suggested that you shop at dollar stores, stores with items for $1 and under. Warnings. Stay with the law. Do this for fun. Unless you are actually professional. Stay safe. You're not going to be a spy if you're dead. Things. Your ID. Your team. Walkie talkie. Your gear.